All right, guys, today we're gonna be building a compost bin. I got this 30-gallon bin right here. I have some food scraps. I got some topsoil there, so let's go ahead and get started. I am going to be building this one with some aeration to it, so I'm gonna be drilling some holes here in this top bin. I'm also gonna be drilling plenty of holes in the bottom and probably some here along the top side as well for good ventilation. All done with making all the holes here. As you can see, we got holes going down the bottom. All right, we got some holes here going across the side here towards the top for some good ventilation. Take a look at the lid right here. I got plenty of holes. Right, so the next step is go over what goes inside. So from my topsoil here, I went ahead and added a good first layer, maybe about 6 inches or so, made it nice and level, and it is time now to add the food scraps that we have. We got everything there from banana, lemon, avocado peelings, anything that is green, some eggshells, right? All that good stuff on there. Did I miss anything? Some apple cores, all that good stuff. As long as it's green, as long as it's from nature, nothing processed, nothing fried, no grease, no fats, just pure nature greens, browns. It's also good to add some shredded paper. It helps with moisture control, helps make sure that the soil isn't too wet. Also, they're gonna eat this as well. And the last piece, guys, the moment you've been waiting for, here is our 1-pound bag, about 1,000 worms in here. Let me just go ahead and dump it here for you guys, just so you guys can take a look here. You can see them in action. Look at that. Now these are red wiggler worms, great for composting. They love the dark, so immediately we're gonna see them start to make their way down to the bottom of our container here. Just check out that action right there, guys. Right, they should be good for about a week with the food that I put on here. By the time they work their way through chewing all this shredded paper and everything, and so we're gonna keep feeding them on about a weekly or twice a week basis, depending on how they do. Right now they look very skinny, but they're gonna grow up in size very quickly. They do eat about I think they eat about their own body weight a day. So if I got a pound of worms here, that means that I'm gonna need to dispose of about a pound of food a day from my kitchen scraps. And there they are, working their way down to the bottom of the container. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.